Hi, Patrick here. Now, this video that you're about to watch is actually extracted from one of the workshops that I did, where I was sharing how, because I used to be a short-term thinker, I lost 10,000 leads. So go ahead and watch this video and let me know.
Now, I have to admit, I was once a short-term thinker as well. Right, for instance, speaking of short-term, let me just show you one thing here. I regretted this. I was going through my account. Anyone heard of Peerfly before? Years ago, I've thought, frankly, I'm saying this with pride, I can say that I'm probably the only expert that have taught more topics about internet marketing than any speakers, trainers in Malaysia. I'm probably the only person who taught more topics. From Amazon Kindle to mobile apps to everything. Like I have to check everything. And then later on I realized that I should not be teaching everything anymore. I just want to teach one thing. And this is what I'm teaching right now. Right, how to build an online business strategically. So I want to show you something. Peerfly is a CPA offer. So I teach people how to make money on a CPA offers. Means that get paid on the internet. There's so many ways to make money on the internet. Right? There's so many ways that you can get paid like $1 for someone's email. Like I can send you an offer that if you just opt in, I will make $1 or sometimes 50 cents and so on, right? So let's see how much money I've made. I made 5,000 over US dollar by just fooling around some stupid system, right? I mean, that's not a lot of money, but you understand, to make $5,000, how many leads I've generated for companies to earn how much? 50 cents? $1? Now, the $5,000 has long span gone. It's gone right now. It's all spent. But it was a long-term thinker that time. And I don't waste time to go and trade these leads off for 50 cents and $1. I would have built a better business today. If we just do a simple maths, let's say a lead is 50 cents, which means I have generated 10,000. I mean, for $5,000 commission, I probably have generated 10,000 leads. Now, if I was to use that to generate leads for my own business, those leads will have achieved something more than $5,000 for sure. Not today, but even that moment of time, I would have made maybe 50,000 or even more out of 10,000 leads. But instead, I choose a short path because it's so easy to make money. You go and opt in, zip code, I just make $1, right? And I just realized this. I just don't mess with this anymore. And recently, Peerfly is shutting down. So they sent an email says that we're closing down. I thought I better go and log in and see maybe there's some money there. They haven't paid me out. And yeah, there's like a few dollars left. Just now I was seeing like $8 something like that. So I just want to make sure that I take out all the money, right? And this also let me know one thing. You see, if I was a short-term thinker, assuming I was still doing this, right? And suddenly Peerfly says, we are shutting down. Holy moly, cow. That is the end of my business overnight. Because every single campaign I'll be building for someone else in that sense because it's promoting someone else's offer. So what I'm teaching you is a whole different strategy. Is you build your brand, you build your own websites and so on. And you still do affiliate marketing, but replaceable because they follow you. They don't follow the products. So if you are building a business based on products driven and the products has short-lived, or in this case, the offer ends, it also means the end of your business and, well, you have to build all over again. That is what costs you, that is what the end results you get for not being a long-term thinker. For being opportunities, this is what you get. Yes, you make money. I make $5,000. But I wish I didn't make the $5,000, but I was a smarter person when I was young. I'm still young right now. Right. Just a separate remark. But you understand this, Richard? You understand where I'm coming from right now? Right. Because the knowledge, the skill that I'm giving to you right now, right, is applicable for you to do whether, like a Peerfly thing, or whether, to build your brand. It's up to you, right?